Yo guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix this search bar if it's not working. Now a lot of methods are available on YouTube, but those are not actually satisfying. So I'm gonna show you the exact method how actually you can fix it permanently. Now the first method everyone हर एक ने YouTube पे post किया हुआ है, तो वो simple से है, just go into the task manager and find here the Windows Explorer, restart that. Just press www until you will get here the Windows Explorer and then restart. It's a simple process, and that actually restart your all this section and you can use it. Now before starting the further, let me explain why actually it's happening. You are using less RAM like 4 GB, or in fact sometimes it's happening in 8 GB, but 4 GB may mostly aata. Probably you will see this error in 4 GB because you have not enough free space to load some extra services like these or indexes extra, so that's why you are facing this. For that you can use the tool that will actually clean up your RAM, and you can use that tool because आप काफ़ी देर तक उससे ये एरर नहीं देखोगे, बट जैसे जैसे आपकी नेम अगेन फुल होती जाएगी यू विल सी दिस एरर अगेन. एंड इन दैट केस you can apply the second method I'm gonna show you here. Just go into the C drive, and then here you need to find the Windows folder, and then find here the system32. Once you here you need to type here ctfmon.exe and search it. Once you find this, the lower one, actually just make a shortcut copy on your desktop. If it's not working, then simply right click on it and go into the send and create a shortcut on your desktop. Once it's done, now close it. Now Windows plus R key for running the run command prompt, and then type here the shell dot startup. Now this is the startup folder basically, don't be confused, just copy over here and that's it. Now once again go into the task manager and find here again the Windows Explorer and restart it. Once it's done, go into the startup and make sure the CTF folder is now available here, and if it's disabled then make sure to enable it. That's it. Now restart your PC and your problem should be fixed 100%. If still you have any question related to the PC, then let me know in the comment section. Till then, just take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye.